Hello, welcome back to my shed. Unless it's your first time, and welcome to you also. I'm going to start with a quick apology. It's been ages since I've released a video. I've basically took the summer off, just lost motivation, can't get up off the settee to come out and do something, but hopefully I'm over that now and I can start doing videos a bit more regularly again, hopefully. So today I have this from my house. It's an ultrasonic diffuser. You put water and essential oils in it and then switch it on and you get a lovely vapour come off it. Fills the house with nice smells. But it stopped working. So apparently when I plug it in, it emits a high-pitched whining sound. I can't hear it. I suppose I'll put some water in because I don't want to run it dry. It switches off when it's dry anyway, I think. And I'll plug it in and I'll switch it on. Apparently there's a high-pitched noise. I can't hear it at all. So switch it on, nothing. Switch it on for time, nothing. So there's no lights, there's no ultrasonic action. So I switch it off. Pop that water back into there. Put that safe. Still looks wet, but it's not dry. Okay, now I did get some water down that vent, but that was after it stopped working, so any water damage in there, I suppose it could have happened before. So let's start with a quick test of the power supply. I know it's right, but just to show. Put that into DC. Very shiny, isn't it? And red probe down the middle, that probe on the outside, and that's giving us not a lot. Oh, there you go. 23 volts. Steady. And there might be something wrong with this. It's giving readings just from waving the probes in the air. Okay. So anyway, that's giving out 24 volts as it should. Okay, so there's 3 screws. Okay, you're interested, there's the model number, IEP wholesale. Can't remember the name that's on the box. I don't even think I've got the box anymore, so I can't find out. There's a fan. it only comes on and off one way. Let's have a look down. I can see corrosion. Okay, but that's just on the LEDs, so that shouldn't be a problem. This might be. That's the control for the LEDs. Turn the light on, turn the mist on. I suppose for thoroughness we'll have a look at the actual mister. That's it. Okay, no problems on that. I'll put that straight back on before I lose anything. Have a quick look at this, but I really don't think there's anything going on here. So that's the on-off switch there. This one. So I'll probe these. So I'll go diagonals. That's fine. It's this LED that's got some corrosion there. I will clean this up. 1.8 that way. Nothing that way. So that's fine. There's no other corrosion on that board to worry about. So the board itself. So visually I can see, a bit of corrosion here. Quite a bit in there. Fair bit in there really. Touch on this as well, which is the main power in. Is it? No, it's not. It's the main out. That goes out to the fan. The power in looks okay, although there's a little bit there. That doesn't look too healthy. I'll measure that. There's a couple of 0 ohm fuses there. So I'll check them. Okay, they're fine. Check resistance. That should be 330. Hardly getting a reading off that at all. Okay, it should be 330 ohms this resistor, and it seems to be short. This resistor seems to be shorted to ground. On both sides. I don't think that's right. So I'm going to take that resistor off. Let's try test this cap as well. So actually this cap is quite corroded. Oh, that's shorting to ground as well. That is it shorting. So that's shorting through. Is that going to be ground? So this cap is short to ground as well. Before everything was acting normally. Now everything's shorted. It seems to be, oh look at this, it seems to be this part of the circuit. That's ground, that cap's fully ground. These caps are ground. Chip seems to be fine. And it seems to be normal here. So I think one of these has gone. Or is it that? I think it might be that. If I take that off, I think these shorts might disappear. Hold on, no. Can that? Yeah, it can be shorted to ground because of this, can't it? That's saying. I think I'm going to take this piece off. Add a little bit of flux. plastic there. Okay, so now let's see if the short's gone from the resistor. Yes, it has. Yeah. Let's see if that cap is acting normally. Yeah. Okay. See if this is still shorting. Yes, it is. I think I might have to get this under the microscope in order to see what it says. I'm not going to have any. Oh, there we go. W S F 0 7 N 1 0. The WSF07N10 is the highest performance trench NCH MOSFET with extreme high cell density. Right. See if I can order some. So I managed to find them on AliExpress. It is that one there. It does say shipping's £2 and a penny, and it should be here by November the 8th. But when you add it to the card, add it to the cart, choose it, it's 26p. So what I did is I put 4 in my cart. And I've also ordered another kit, and I've got free shipping on it. So happy days. So that should be back in a few days, and I'll get back to you then. Right, well, it's been 9 days since I ordered them MOSFETs, and they're here. I mean, AliExpress have really stepped the game up since Temu come on the scene. Right, here they are. 4 of them, £1.04. That's not even $1.50 from China to the UK. 9 days. It's incredible, really. The Royal Mail, £1.65 for a first class stamp. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just add some leaded solder onto this, and then remove it. Add some fresh solder, and then just plop one of these on. Sounds easy. Okay, first add some flux, just a bit. I'll just add some leaded solder onto here. Nice. I'll just take some solder wick and wick this up. Now it's cool. Give it a quick wipe with a cotton swab. Well, I bent the buzzer a bit. Right, the solder mask has come off here, but it's connected anyway. Like there, like that. And a little bit more flux. So now, using these new tweezers, which were sent to me as a gift from my, actually not from my Amazon wish list. It's a gift from Daddy B. He's not my dad. Hey Steve, these are not on your list, but I hope they come in handy to stop you burning your fingers. Enjoy your gift from Daddy B. Daddy B is a subscriber. He's also a badger. And he sent me these that weren't on my wish list. If you want to know what my wish list is, it's just a list of things that I would find handy whilst I'm in my shed, and the list's there so that you can see what I need or what I would like, and if you feel like contributing to the channel, then you can just send me a gift like that. So that's there in the description if you'd like to have a look. If not, it's okay. Right, whatever, he sent me something else with this. Oh, some assorted capacitors. They're here. See, box of capacitors. So, thanks Daddy B. On with this. Use hot air just to heat the area. And that's okay, I'll just touch it up, just to be sure. Okay, so we've got the majority of the sticky flux off whilst it's still hot. Now I'll let it cool down and I'll give it a good washing over with the IPA, and we'll have a look at trying to get rid of some of this other corrosion on the board as well. Okay, that's good. Let's get it put back in and see if it works. Right. So this bit lines up here. Definitely had water in there. And the metal doesn't look bad at all. I'll just spray with some contact cleaner just to make sure. Use Holt's electrical contact cleaner. I'll just should do. Smells nicer than IPA. Yeah. They're all different sizes, so it can't go wrong. Goes like that, just make sure there's no wires trapped. No. That's it. Let's plug the power in. Okay, got a beep. I think a beep's good. Add some water. Not too much. Try not to go above that lip. Now, I'm not going to put oil in it. Then this hole in the lid goes over this hole here. Okay, now I'll dim the light. It's turned on, I can hear the fan. I don't know if you can see that very well. Let's turn the light on. It's this one. There we go. It's a lovely light. So it pulses, or you can have it on one colour. Trying to find one where you can actually see. I'll try and capture it on my phone. It might be a better way of doing it. There we go, one working diffuser. I'm really happy I can now get some oil in there. We'll go and freshen the living room up a bit. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I certainly did. And hopefully I'm back on the road now to doing regular videos. Don't forget, if you do like it and you want to see more, then just like, subscribe, and please check out the link in the description if you want to help out a bit. In the meantime, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.